Ouch! This hurt me. Oh my goodness. No more this. I'm going to make a pin cushion for my wrist. I've been postponing this, but today I'm going to be making a pin cushion for myself, and I'll be showing you how I made this pin cushion. So join me, let's make a pin cushion for our wrist so that we'll enjoy our draping tutorial. So let's go there. Don't throw away your scraps because they will come in handy and we're going to be using it. It will be the main thing we're using for this tutorial. So from my scraps, I got this big scrap. So I'll be using it for this pin cushion. So I'll fold it like this, and I'm going to be folding again. Let me show you. And this is too big, so I'm going to be reducing it. I folded it in two, and I'm going to be folding it in four, like so that I get a radius. But let me just reduce it so I'm not wasteful. So this will be enough for me. I fold it in four again, and I'm going to be cutting out a radius of 5 inches. Okay, let me use 4 inches. I'll be using 4 inches for my radius. So I'm going to be cutting this all around like so. So first I'm going to be marking it all around, and then it will be easy for me to cut out my radius for the cushion. So once I have it like this, I'm going to be cutting it. So once I have the radius like this, I'm going to be sewing it all around with a running stitches so that I'll be able to draw it and pack my scraps into it. So once I'm all done sewing it, I'm going to be packing my scraps into it like this. So you can see it's like a pot now, right? So I'm going to be packing the scraps into it. Don't be wasteful. This is a time to use your scraps for projects. There are other DIYs you can use with your scraps, and I'll be showing you as we go on. So let's use this. You can actually cut it into smaller pieces, but I think I'm okay with this. I'll just pack it in like that, and I'm going to be closing my running stitch like that so that I have the cushion already cushioned into the radius. So once I have it like this, I'm going to draw. It was a running stitch I used, so it means it will be easy for me to draw the rope. So once I draw it, I'm going to be closing up the scrap like that. So you can see how it's already forming. So once you have it like that, you go ahead and tie your rope, or you sew it together, whichever way that will hold that circle round there. Just make sure you do that so that you hold it in place. Yeah, so that's it like that, and it's ready to be glued and ready for your wrist. So I'm going to be getting, yes, I'm going to be using this for my wrists. This is going to be going in like that, and it will be on the wrist like that. So I'm going to be replacing my band with this rubber band. So I'm taking away my wristband, and I'm going to be measuring round my wrist to get the elastic measurement I need. Once it's like that, I will leave some inches so I will have it comfortable on my wrist. So I'm going to be leaving some allowances like that so that I have enough room for me to be comfortable wearing the pin cushion. Yeah, so you see the space I left so that it will not be too tight on my wrist. So once I have this, I'm going to be closing this. I'm going to be stitching here like that. I noticed that my cover was too deep and it's going to waste my glue gun, so I quickly made another pin cushion for my wrist that is smaller, which is a radius of 2.5 inches. So instead of me to use this inner part for this cover, I'm going to be using the back. So this smaller one would be for my wrist and this one would be on a cover so that I have it like that and I can use it with other things like this. So I'm going to be using this smaller one for my pin cushion, for my wrist pin cushion. So I go ahead and put the glue gun on this like this, and I'm going to place my cushion to it. My pin cushion is going to be here. So I have twin cushion. Yeah, so once this is ready, I will keep it and I will go over to my wrist pin cushion. So I have two packs of this pin, so I will quickly use this. With the way this is designed, it will not be wasteful, so I'm going to be using this. I won't waste my gum, and it has foam on that side, so it will be comfortable on my wrist. So I'll be placing the rubber band like that, and I'm going to be gluing it down first of all. So once I have it like this, the side that I have sewn on is the side I want to stay in like that. So once I have it like this, I'm going to be adding another glue here and place my cushion. So let me just add this gum. The glue gum is very nice one that can easily hold anything fabric. So I'm going to be putting enough of this here so that it would hold it firmly, so that it's durable. You just place it like that. Yeah, so you make sure you hold it down so it sticks to it, and once it sticks to it, it's all ready, so it's easier like that. So you can see we have our pin cushion ready. I'm already rocking my pin cushion. See how nice it's looking. And I have the second one that I can place anywhere and have things inside it. Yeah, I'm loving this. Now I am good to go. I'm ready to teach you guys my draping method. I'm all set. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to drape on a mannequin. See how I'm pinning, and it's not pinning on me, it's pinning on the cushion. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. You can follow me on my Facebook page, Sewing Tutorial by Lomzy. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.